Have you ever wondered what exactly a civil litigation attorney does? From the moment you hire one all the way until your case is resolved, there is a process that happens behind the scenes. In this video, I'll break it down step by step so you can see what to expect if you ever need one in Chicago. The process starts with a consultation. You meet with the attorney, explain your situation, and share documents or evidence that you have. The attorney decides if your case has legal grounds and explains your options. Once hired, the attorney investigates. This could mean gathering contracts, emails, photos, or interviewing witnesses. They also research the law and past cases that they handled to build a strategy for your case. If you are the plaintiff, your lawyer files a complaint in court to start the case. If you are the defendant, your lawyer responds to the lawsuit and files an answer. These documents outline the claims and defenses. Discovery is where both sides exchange the information. This includes written questions, also known as interrogatories, requests for records, and depositions, where witnesses give sworn testimonies. The goal is transparency before trial. Attorneys file motions, which are formal requests asking the judge to decide certain issues. For example, a motion to dismiss or a motion for summary judgment could be dispositive of the case and can resolve it before trial. Most civil cases in Chicago settle before trial. Your attorney negotiates with the other side to reach a fair resolution. This saves time, money, and stress compared to going to trial. If settlement doesn't happen, your attorney prepares for trial. Your attorney will present evidence, question witnesses, and make arguments to the judge or the jury. The court or the jury will then make a decision. If it's for the plaintiff, they will award monetary damages. If it's for the defendant, the case will be dismissed. After trial, the attorney may handle appeals, collect judgments, or make sure settlement terms are followed. So that's the full journey of what a civil litigation attorney in Chicago does, from the first consultation to the very end of the case. Every step is about protecting your rights, building the strongest argument, and guiding you through a complex legal system. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more legal insights.